PCC-2 outlines the material testing that's required to qualify your system. So these are things like tensile properties of resins, tensile properties of the composite, lap shear, shear modulus, bond adhesion, things like that. Well, for API 653, instead of having a 5 specimen minimum for testing, the committee wanted at least 20 samples. And that's because they wanted at least a 99% confidence level in the design value of the material. So if you've done PCC-2 qualification testing, you're going to have to do additional tests to show that you have at least 20 samples. In addition to the material side, we still do the burst tests. So AB 539, ISO 24817, and ASME PCC-2 have outlined pressure tests where you can demonstrate the repair system's ability to handle pressure if, let's say, your wall loss is 80%. We also do the same level of testing for energy release rate, which is that value that you achieve when you test the carbon fiber over a through-wall defect.